is local beans, so like so fine. Guys, good morning. Even if I want to make a video in this my room, it is always difficult for me because I've been managing a table tripod since and my baby broke my tripod, and I have had it fixed, but they fix it the opposite side. Like if I want to make a video with it to be, showing like half, but I think I will try. Maybe it's going to show my food since I wanted to show the outfit. Anyways, I've dressed to go to Monday market. I have my bag on me. I'm dressed to go to Monday. Like yeah, come with me to Kaduna Popular Market. Kaduna Popular Market, one of the biggest markets. Not the biggest though, but one of the biggest markets in Kaduna State. You guys know whenever I'm going to this market, it's mostly because of grains. Yes, I'm there to go buy grains, and yeah, and just to go around the market. It's been long. Like, okay, I've gone to that market once. Okay, I went to that market once last year. Since this year, this is July 13th. I hope I'm not missing. Yeah, 13th. I've never been to that market since this year. So let's go, and I'm going there because of a particular beans. Yeah, so let's go see, because that is where I'm already late. I'm supposed to go early, because when you go early, you buy from those people that bring it direct from their house, their farm. Okay, now I'm going to buy from wholesalers. So yeah, it's not too bad, but it's not so bad. But my prayer is, let me see what I want. So let's go. Wearing these rubber slippers and socks. I'm also wearing leggings inside because it has been raining since morning. It's not too long, but it's more than 2 hours the rain stopped. Let's quit the blabbing. Let's go. Like, I seriously don't know what I was thinking, that I have to forget my list at home. The list I made, the list I wrote down for what I'm going to buy in the market, I forgot at home. And I've checked my bag. I don't have any pen inside. Like, I have one on serious pen inside, not even a jotter. I don't know what I'm going to do. I just hope I won't forget anything. Having lists used to help me not to buy unnecessary things. Most time when I have my list to buy some things, I don't get to buy what I do not want, because me, once I carry money, I enter market, I'll just buy. But with lists, when I have my list with me, I know what to buy and what not to buy. Guys, you guys see that? Anyway, let me not talk about my face. On top of it, my tripod is disturbing me. My tripod is on top of it, it's car tripod now. This one, let me show you guys right here. This one, if I put my phone there, it's either it cuts my face or sometimes it will behave, but today it's not behaving. It's not at all. So you guys, let's go to the market. I'm wearing this earring, but it looks as if I'm not wearing earring. Guys, let's focus and drive. When things go wrong, I've also, I'm at the Monday market right now. I'm at the Monday market. I supposed to talk to you guys about my hair. I said I was going to retouch. In my very first clip of this video, that evening I was rushing to go and retouch my hair, guys. I couldn't find any salon, and then when I tried to go to the first one, that's this salon I know, I tried to drive to that place and it started raining so heavily, so I have to, you know, you do U-turn and go home. So that's why I'm still carrying my hair like this. But before I go into the market, I have my hair tie here. I'm going to tie this hair tie before I go in. Let's go. My phone is not even fully charged and I forgot my power bank. I don't know this market. I don't know. God help me. Oh. Yeah. See my hair tie. I think I will twist and, you know, tie up to look like a proper market woman. Guys, I'm still looking for these beans that brought me to this market. The main thing, I've not yet seen these beans. No one directed me to this market because this market is so big. I even fell down. Look at my hand. Look at my bag. I even fell down. I don't know where to see these beans. Where are they? Okay. Guys, finally, it's as if I'm going to see it here. I pray. She said she has it. Let's see. I went to go and bring the beans. The beans is not yet here. And I told her that I'll wait. And my face is swollen. Why? Why is my face like this? Is it because of the hair tie? Have you guys seen this type of beans before? This is local beans, so like so fine. Me, I have not seen it though. This is my first time I've seen this type of beans. And a mudu of it is sold for 2.5. I think I'll buy like 2 mudu and go and try it out. This is another type of beans. Now you guys, leave beans for Kaduna State people. This is another type of beans. I don't know if I've seen this beans, or probably my mind don't used to reach there. This is another type of beans. And this is another type of local beans. Popcorn, ba? Yes, ma'am. How much for mudu? 1,001. Not be 1,000. How many ones? Only one mudu. Oh yeah, give me 2 mudu. Give me 2. What's the name? Ashishuru. Ashishuru. Who will they call him? Akidi. 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 Maybe. How much do they say? One mudu. How much? 1.4. How about madam? How much? You said I want 3. Me at the price 1.2. How much you buy? 1.2 now. 1 buy. You see now how much you buy? I don't know. I follow. I go buy. These beans is what I've been looking for. Like I even fell down looking for these beans. This is the main thing that brought me to this market. If you're from Enugu, they don't joke with these beans. Like people from my husband's side, they don't joke with these beans. So this is what brought me to this market. So yeah, Akidi, that's what they call it. But Hausa people call it achichuru, or call it Akidi. How much for beans? 1.7. How much last? 1.650. 1.5. Last how much? 1.650. 1.650. Yes. The white one how much? Last. 1.6. These are 1.6. Yes. Come and put this on for me. Look at that one now. Some wood don't do no. So the 7 mood about is how much? 5-6 for the 7 mood. This is wheat. I'm done buying though. I've not eaten since morning. Just wish I will see where I will buy something to eat. So the little ones I can say I'll buy. Like this market is so tiring. I'm no longer used to the market. I used to be used to this market, but I'm no longer used to it. Well, let's go home. I should have brought my car down here. If I had known that cars are still allowed here, I would have brought my car down here. This is my... Let's go. I'm make sure I'm well. Now because you come on now, you know Pujara. I know what I'm eating is not healthy, but this is what I see that I can eat. I bought awara, but I cannot eat it. Like I'm taking coke before I go in for strength because I'm so tired. I told you guys I fell down and I fell with my 2 knees, so my waist is paining me. My battery is so low, just for 4% left. So I had to, it's just around this area that I saw a shop, a kiosk selling minerals. So I have to buy and then drink in my car before I start going. Guys, I am home, so let me show you guys some of the things. Let me show you guys all the things I got from Monday markets. Okay, so here are the things I got from Monday markets. I got these granules for 2,000 naira. A moody is 700. It's supposed to be 2,100, but I got it for 2,000. This is clove. Let me loosen it. So this is clove. Please manage with me and see through the leather. I got this clove. This is a cup for 2,000 naira as well. Okay, I need to tear it. Yeah. So here is clove for 2,000 naira. Also, let's see what is in here. Okay, this is wheat. This is 2 mudu, and here is 5 mudu. Let me open it. I didn't grind it because I didn't also get the thing that I'm supposed to use and grind it. I don't want to open it totally because I'm not grinding it today. So here is wheat. This is how big it is. This is 5 mudu, and here is 2 mudu, altogether 7 mudu. And I got this for 800 naira per mudu. 800 per mudu. Yeah. So guys, this is corn for popcorn. This is tiny corn for popcorn. Yeah, this is 2,000 naira. I got 1 mudu for 1,000. So this is 2 mudu for 2,000 naira. Here is what is here. Okay, this is white beans. This is white beans. I got these beans for 1,700 naira per mudu, and this is 5 mudu. This is 5 mudu. I think she said it's 8.5 total. I don't know, but this is 5 mudu. I think I paid her 8.5, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So this is 5 mudu. This is let's see. This is tiger nuts. This is tiger nuts. I got 1 mudu for 1,500, and this is just 1 mudu. I have tiger nut before, so I just got 1 mudu. My problem in this house now is strong blender. My blender has spoiled. Anyways, here is 1 mudu of tiger nuts. In Hausa language is aya, 1,500. Guys, this one I've already tear. As you can see, this is the main thing that took me to Monday market. This is Hausa call it ashushuru, but my husband people call it akidi. So this is it. This is 7 mudu. I bought each mudu for 1,300. This is new one. The old one I saw in the market have already started removing weevil. Is it weevil? I don't know, but yeah, I got this for 1,300 naira each, and this is 7 whole mudu. So I'll keep it here depending on when I'll pack it. What else did I get? This is cucumber. This is cucumber for 500. Here is 9 cucumber. This is the size. Some are bigger, some are smaller. This is the size. 500 naira for 9 pieces. Also got pineapple, this size, for 2,500. For these 3 for 2,500. I got ugu, this size. It's quite small for me, so I got it for, anyway, it's not small. If water touches it now, it will get bigger. This is for 1,000. Also got water leaf for 500. Sorry, water leaf. Yeah, water leaf for, I don't know how much water leaf did I get, because I'll be making vegetable soup. I can't find the water leaf. So here is water leaf. Yeah, water leaf is bigger. I got water leaf for 500. I got ugu for 1,000. 1,500. So let's open up this. So here is the bag. Just opened it. This is brown beans. I got this for 1,650 naira each. So I got 10 mudu. This is for 10 whole mudu. I also got potato for 2,000, but it's not here. It's still in my car. Guys, I also got potato for 2,000. I got tomato for 2,000. As I was going, I was just, picking random things because I was still having some change left. Oh God, look at how I'm sweating. I'm boiling meat in this kitchen. Everywhere is hot and there is no light at the moment. Anyways, this brings us to the end of this market haul / market vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and let's be one family, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.